Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 0, and y equals 61. The second point has x equals 1, and y equals 87.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 0 to x equals 1, the run is 1. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 61 to y equals 87, the rise is 26.
Slope is rise divided by run, 26 over 1, which simplifies to 26. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values, slope is 26, x1 is 0, and y1 is 61.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.